Hey, it's Dr. Amanda with Straightsmile Solutions, straightsmilesolutions.com, and today I'm going to tell you how to buy a dental practice to make money instantaneously, basically. You can't, this is a no-lose situation. So I know in our family, we figured out the secret sauce on this. Basically, number one, you buy a practice in an area that has dental schools, plural, ideally, if not a large dental school, within an hour or two, so that you can have a great influx of new grads potentially coming in who are hungry and willing to work. Number two, you need to make sure your practice, of course, is in an amazing location and where people actually want to go and has parking. And number three, it needs to be a bread and butter dental practice, an established bread and butter dental practice with a great clientele that is very loyal, has been coming for a long time. Of course, yeah, a lot of them are going to leave. It's just how it is. But it needs to be bread and butter. By bread and butter, I mean crown and bridge. They are not doing ortho. They're not doing implants. Those are the two. And they're not doing sleep. Ortho, implants, sleep. Why? Because if they have an awesome hygiene schedule that's packed, booked a month out, you have opportunities to do ortho, implants, and sleep. And you, as the owner doctor, can come in and do the specialty work, specialty in air quotes, and your associate new grads can do the bread and butter. Pretty awesome. It's, again, you can't, assuming you aren't overpaying for it. And of course, I feel like nowadays is like an amazing time to get a great deal because a lot of new grads aren't as hungry to jump in to do this as soon as they graduate, just because the loan situation is not as good. It was so easy for us to get loans way back when, but it was also so easy for us to over leverage ourselves and screw up, when we weren't ready to handle those loans. So they're being a lot more cautious about loaning to you guys, and they want you guys to get your feet wet a little bit first. So it's a win-win for us more established people. But yeah, I mean, if you're established, just do it. It's not that hard once you get your systems in place, and especially nowadays with digital dentistry and having everything online, Dentrix Ascend, all these things, Open Dental, where you can log in from home basically and see what's going on. You see the x-rays, you can see the treatment plans. It's really easy to run these type of practices and have people remotely run it. You can have people remotely doing billing. It's not that hard, you guys. So look for what I'm telling you to look for, and you will do very well. And if you have questions about the ortho, setting up systems and operations, even if you don't know anything about ortho, that's what I'm here for. Glad to help you. All right, thanks.